Alright, hi everyone, and I'm still your shoemaking made easy tutor Ojurole Mojibola. I'm sure you can see the beautiful collections of footwears that we have on the screen, and definitely this is actually about our mastering children footwear class. And of course, what we are going to be teaching in this class are all these beautiful designs that you are seeing right here. And of course, the class is going to be starting October 15th. Yeah, October 15th, and the payment is actually 10,000 naira for the class. It's going to be a 3 weeks class, and we are going to be mastering just children footwear, not just boys, not just girls. Of course, it's going to be both gender, and I tell you, it's going to be phenomenal. I don't know what will be keeping you out of that. If you're going to be making your payment before October 1st, you have the opportunity to actually make a payment of just 5,000 naira, and of course after that you will definitely go back to our payment. I don't want you to miss it for anything. Make sure you don't miss it for anything. I need you to know that at Jibbyfem Forte, all we do is make shoemaking easy for you. The reason for this is just to help you to reduce your family expenses on footwear, at the same time create new income stream for you. And of course, I believe with this you can actually sell the products, you can actually sell the knowledge you acquire as well. If you're already into shoemaking, I tell you this could actually be a good refresher course for you to go into. You can use the number on the screen to actually send a WhatsApp message. I'm going